Hi, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through a quick and easy tutorial on how to retrieve your secret recovery phrase on Trust Wallet. So let's get started. First, open the Trust Wallet app on your device. Next, tap on Settings at the top left corner of your screen. Once you're in the Settings menu, tap on Wallets. Here, you'll see a list of all the wallets you've created and backed up. To access your recovery phrase, tap on the info icon if you're using iOS. This will take you to the backup options for your wallet. Then click on Manual. Then enter your password. Then tick these three options. Then click on Continue. Remember, if you lose your secret phrase, your funds will be lost forever. If you expose or share your phrase with others, your funds could be stolen. It's your full responsibility to keep this phrase secure. You can either write down your recovery phrase or take a screenshot for your records. Ensure it's stored in a safe and private location. That's how you retrieve your secret recovery phrase on Trust Wallet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my cryptocurrency tutorials. Thanks for watching.